there, I'm Molly Horak from the Horak Group with Remax Boone Realty, and today's seller's tip is about open houses. Make sure that your home is spotless and ready to impress. So on an open house, it's like 7 to 15 to 30 showings all at once, and the home's going to be packed. So when the home is packed, that means it feels smaller and there are more people walking through it. It's like when you have a big party at your house, you want to like pull all the unnecessary things out of the spaces that people are going to be in and make it so that there's a lot of room for the people. Do that because there's more people going through. So we sometimes when we walk through houses with sellers and like help them figure out how to stage their different rooms, we kind of think about, all right, so you're going to have a realtor. So imagine me, and then imagine the buyers. So you have like maybe it's a family, maybe it's a single person, but let's plan for it being a big family or a first-time home buyer, but they have mom and dad with them, or it's the couple and then their kids, or the couple, their kids, and their parents, or whatever it is. Imagine that you're a little herd of, 3 adults minimum, but maybe 5 adults, and then maybe 2 kids running behind you, and you're all having to navigate through this room. What do you need to do to make that movement make sense? You might be perfectly happy squeezing through a little 2-foot little corridor here in between your stuff. It's going to be harder for them, and it's going to be more likely that they trip or they break something or they knock something over or whatever it is. So make that process really smooth, really easy, really enjoyable, and make them not feel cramped, because no one wants to buy a house they feel cramped in unless they're buying a tiny home. But even then, keep it nice and airy and open. Thanks. See you on the next one.